What up, guys? Welcome again. Today I have a brand new update for you, and this time around we're going to be talking about the Battle Steed.AI. It's an application like a wallet, like a crypto wallet, and also an application that helps you trade with a bot. It helps you trade with a bot and you earn your profit daily. So I'll be showing you step by step how you can sign up on this application and how you can earn some BS token, which is a native coin of this application. It is the native token of this application. So I'll be showing you how you can earn it for free and also how you can make some extra cash with this platform. So guys, if you want to know how this works, stick to this video till the end. Alright guys, so for you to be able to make use of this platform, you will need to use the link in the description of this video. Go down there, you click on it, and it's going to bring you to a site looking like this. And now for you to be able to download the application itself, you will need to come over here. You can go to Play Store or you download the APK file. I use the APK file anyway. You can download this or you use this if you wish, but I prefer using the APK file. It's better. So I download my APK file and you can install the application, and I'm going to show you step by step how you can sign up and start using the application right away. So guys, and one more thing, I would like you guys, once you come to this site, please for you to get more information about this application, about this platform, please make sure you read the white paper. Click on the white paper, download it, and make sure you read it to understand everything about this project. Alright, so you can also check their roadmap, which is down here. You can also go ahead, check out the roadmap and know whatever is going on. Alright, here we are. You can also check their roadmap and understand the step by step how this project is growing and things you need to know anyway. Join their social media. As you can see, the official links are here. You can go ahead, join the Telegram, the Twitter, and follow up on YouTube also to know what's going on. And you can see they have partners like the MetaMask, Venice, SunSwap, PancakeSwap, Binance as partners. So this project is actually a nice one. So go ahead and download the application and I will show you how you can sign up and start using this application. Alright guys, so now for us to get started, you need to, after you download the application, you need to get started, So once you open the application, you're going to see select language. You need to select your language by clicking on the select language. You choose your language. I'll be choosing English. That's the one I understand. So you need to create an account. Remember, it's a wallet. You need to create an account. So let's create the account first. All right, you need to generate private key. So I'm going to definitely block this, and let me click on the private key. All right, I've generated this. After generating the private key, you need to copy the private key. It's very important. Copy it, and don't forget, you need to also read what is written down over here. So yes, I've copied it. You need to read what is written over here to know what's up, what's going on here. So please read it and know what is going on. So you need to copy your private key. Then we'll go next. All right, so now we'll have to create a password. I'll create my password. I need to cover this quickly. Let me just pause this video and fill up everything here. All right, so I just did that. Then you need to write this verification code. This code that is over here, you need to put it right here. Then the next thing you do is to click on confirm. All right, now verification. Okay, verify the private key and password. So now we're going to paste the private key that we copied the first place. Let's paste it over here. Okay, now I need to enter my password that I just created. I need to cover this and pause the video. All right, so okay, I just did that. And do not forget, the password has to be digits. It is written there. It has to be at least 6 digits. So just use digits is better. So I just click on verify now. And here we are. Now you can see I'm already in the wallet. I have my wallet ready. My wallet is ready for me now. I have the Battle Steed.AI wallet. After setting up your wallet like this, the next thing you will need to do for you to be able to get the BS token. BS token is actually the native token of this wallet. So for you to be able to get this BS token for free, which is going to be like 20,000 of the token, which is going to be worth $400. So what you need to do is to click on my profile over here, click on my profile, and the next thing you should do is to click on invitation. On this place you can see invitation over here. You click on invitation, and now once you click on invitation, you will need to bind my code into your invitation box. Now what I'm trying to say is you do not have to use your own code. This is you'll be seeing your code right here, but this is mine right now. So for you to be able to get that 20,000 BS token, which is worth $400, you will need to use this code that you are seeing right here on the screen right now into this box over here. Do not use your own code. If you use it, you are not going to receive anything. You need to use your upline code. So I'm going to be using my upline code also right here right now. Let me just paste it. I've already copied it before earlier on. That is it. That's my upline code. So I'm going to be binding it by clicking on binding. Okay, good. Now I just got my BS, my 20,000 BS token. You can see it here, and you can see on my wallet dashboard I have $400. Now this BS token actually has no price right now, but this is just like a reference. So excuse me, this is just like a reference. So the is going to be tradable, I think, in the next 6 months. You can go ahead and read the white paper I talked about earlier on. You can go to their site and watch and read the white paper, download it and read more informations for you to know more details about this application. And also you can see down here we have their social medias, which is available. We have all their social medias available here. You can take your time to join and follow up, follow all their social media for you to get the latest updates about this application, about this project. So now the next thing, another thing I would like to show you about this application is the AI trading. Now quickly let me show you what you can do with the AI trading here, how you can be able to earn with the AI trading. So let's click on trading over here. We click on trading, then now you can use the USDT or the TRS Tron to be able to earn with the AI trading. What you do is just let me click on one of these and you should see what we're going to be doing. Okay, so now what you can do here is, like, this is USDT. You can start with a minimum of 10 USDT. So that means you must have sent the 10 USDT to your wallet, from your wallet to this platform. So it depends on the amount you want, but the minimum is 10 USDT and up on above. So you can just put it, then you write your amounts here and you click on start. Your trading is going to start automatically, and you are going to be receiving your income, and you're going to be receiving your daily profits after every 24 hours. Now before I go any further explaining this, I want you guys to know that this is not a financial advice. This is purely information and educational videos that I am doing to show you guys how you can use this platform and also earn some extra cash by the side. So same goes to the TRX section. You do the same thing. If you want to use Tron, you can use Tron to make the AI trading automatically work for you, and it's actually passive because it is a computer, it's a bot that is going to be trading for you, so it's actually passive. And this is what you can be making from this AI bots monthly. You can see you'll get about 0.5% daily, which is 15% monthly. So the choice is yours. I'm not a financial advisor, so like I said earlier on, I'm not a financial advisor. So guys, if you now, in case you want to earn more of this 20,000 BS token and increase your balance, which is over here, you can see I have 400 right now. If I want to increase this, all I need to do is to share my invitation code like I said earlier on, you can't use your own code, you have to share with people. So you have to give someone else your code for him or her to put it into this application. And once the person uses your code, you are going to be increasing your balance, and the person is also going to be getting some bonus for using your code. So guys, that is how this platform works. Very easy, very simple, and no stress. It's actually passive income also. So if you like what I just showed you, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, subscribe. Don't forget to click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload a brand new update again on this channel. So guys, I see you again in the next video. Bye.